with you, Rama Mehta. Today we will explain calculation of interest on drawings. Our topic is calculation of interest on drawings under accounting for partnership form fundamentals. Interest on drawings is one part under accounting for partnership form fundamental, right? There are two methods to calculate interest on drawings. Methods to calculate interest on drawings. Methods to calculate interest on drawings. First method is simple method. First method is simple method to calculate interest on drawings. Right? In simple method, what formula you will apply here? That is amount. Here you will write interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest upon 100 into month by 12. This is the formula to calculate interest on drawings under simple method. Amount of drawing. Here you will write the amount of drawings withdrawn by the partners. Rate of interest is given to you in the question. You will apply here rate of interest, and months can be given in the question. You will apply here the months, and your formula will be amount of drawings into rate of 100 into month by 12. Right? Suppose 1 lakh is the amount of drawings. Right? Rate of interest is 5%. You will write here 5 upon 100. Right? And months are not given. This is your annual interest. If annual interest is given to you, then there is no need to write month upon 12. That is 12 upon 12. That will be of no use. So your interest will be 5,000. Your interest will be 5,000. Am I clear? This is the formula to calculate interest on drawings by simple method. Our next method is product method to calculate interest on drawings. Next method is product method. Product method to calculate interest on drawings. Its formula is interest on drawings equal to total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. This is the formula to calculate interest on drawings by product method. Again I am explaining total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. One thing I want to share here is that whenever you are calculating interest on drawings, you can apply any of the method. Simple method you can apply, you can also apply product method. Answer will be same. Answer will be same. You can apply any method. It's your choice. Whether you are applying simple method, whether you are applying product method, answer will be same to calculate interest on drawings. Am I clear? Right. We can show you by one question how interest on drawings will be same. Children, this is the question and we are going to solve it by simple method. these are the dates when partners withdraw money from the business. First of all, partner withdraw on May 1st rupees 20,000. Next, partners withdraw money from the firm on July 31st rupees 10,000. September 30th, partner withdraw rupees 30,000. November 30th, partner withdraw rupees 40,000. Right? January 1st, withdrawing 20,000, and March 31st 25,000 withdrawing. And rate of interest is 9%. Rate of interest is 9% per annum. Am I clear? And accounts are closed on 31st. Suppose accounts are closed on 31st March 2018. Right? When accounts are closed on 31st March 2018, you are drawing money on May 1st. How much time you will use this money? Up to 31st March of next year. 31st March of next year. May 1st. May 1st, full month of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. When you are drawing money on May 1st, you will use this 20,000 for 11 months. You will use this money of rupees 20,000 for 11 months. That means interest on drawings will be calculated for 11 months by simple method. You will calculate it by writing the formula. Interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate upon 100 into month by 12. 20,000 you are drawing. That means 20,000 into 9 upon 100, this is rate, and for 11 months. For 11 months. Right? And you will charge 1,650 on rupees 20,000 because this money is using for 11 months. That is, interest on drawings will be 1,650 for 11 months by simple method. Next, July 1st. When you are drawing money on July 31st, that means you are using this money full month of August, full month of September, October, November, December, January, February and March. That means you are using this money for 8 months. Then you have to calculate interest on drawing for 8 months by applying the same formula. And how you will calculate it? 10,000 into 8 upon 100, 9 upon 100. Rate of interest is 9 into 8 by 12 for 8 months. How you will calculate interest? Interest will be 600. Interest on drawings will be 600 by applying simple method. Amount of drawing is 10,000. Rate is 9%. Month are 8. So your answer will be 600 when amount of interest is 10,000. Again, when you are drawing money on September 30th. September 30th. How much month you will use this money? October, November, December, January, February and March. 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months. You are using 30,000 rupees for 6 months at the rate of 9%. How you will calculate interest on drawings? 30,000 into 9 upon 100 into 6 by 12. You will get 1,350. How you will calculate it? 1,350 when 30,000 is the amount, rate is 9% and months are 6. Same way you will calculate 1,200, 450 and 0 when these are the amounts given to you. And total interest is 5,250. 5,250 is your total interest on drawings by simple method. If same question we are doing by product method, again your answer will be same, that is 5,250. your answer will be same. So this question we will do by using the product method, right? Now we method to calculate interest on drawings. We will solve the same question by applying product method. You can see answer will be same, right? Product method, now you will calculate product. In this method you will calculate product. What is the formula to calculate the product? Amount multiplied by period. Amount multiplied by period, you will get the product. 20,000 multiplied by 11, you will get 2,20,000, right? 10,000 multiplied by 8, 80,000. 30,000 multiplied by 6, 1 lakh. 80,000. 40,000 multiplied by 4, you will get 1 lakh 60,000. 20,000 multiplied by 3, you will get 60,000. 25,000 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Do the total. 220 plus 83 or 480, 580 plus 60, 640 and 60, 7 lakh. 7 lakh is your total product. Now we are solving this question by applying product method. You can see answer will be same. Total product is 7 lakh. Now apply the formula interest on drawings equal to total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. This is the formula to calculate interest on drawings by product method. Total of product. Here total of product is 7 lakh. Total of product is 7 lakh. You will write here 7 lakh. Rate of interest is again same, that is 9% into 1 by 12. Solve it, simplify it. Answer is 5250. Interest on drawings is 5250. You solve this question by simple method. Answer will be 5250, 5250. Same question we solve by applying product method. Again your answer will be same 5250. So it's your choice. It's up to you which method you are going to follow, either simple method or product method. But as per my observation, it is better for you to apply product method. Why it is so? In product method, you just apply the formula once and you get the answer. But in simple method, you apply the formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times. You apply interest on drawings, calculate interest on drawings 6 times. Then you get the answer 5250. So it is better for you to apply product method to calculate interest on drawing. So this was all about your simple method and product method. Next topic we will do in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.